So 1950, I guess, yeah. We up and left Brooklyn and went to Long Beach.
And what was that place like?
He had the house built to his own specifications, which turned out to be a two-family house. And we lived upstairs in the big apartment. There, let's see, I only lived there for maybe 2 years, because after that I went to college. Spent summers back in Long Beach, but went to college and went in the military, got married, and that was it. But there we had 3 real bedrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, and 2 baths. So it was a pretty big house. She would do a lot of gardening work. That's what she loved too, especially the flower beds. We have a rose bush in the front of this house, which is, I believe she took a cutting from a rose bush she had in her house and planted it here. And it still blooms every year. But she did work in the garden. She didn't mow the lawn. He mowed the lawn. I mowed the lawn. But not that it was a big lawn, but she did the flower beds and the trimmings that were necessary of the bushes and what have you. She loved the garden. She was out there an awful lot. And cats. She fed cats all over. The whole neighborhood, the cats came to visit her. Put out left fat trimmings, some milk in a bowls, and she had a favorite cat. Wouldn't come near her, still afraid, but came for the food. And she would do her writing in, this time, in the dining room, the big window facing the outside world. Again, the sun coming in right there. This time she had a big table to write on, big room, bookcases, plants. That plant is hers, the one on the left, the one that's growing wild there. That's her plant. So that plant's got to be 40, 50 years old.